Hello everyone, we are installing this USB hub for rear compartment from Foronetry. One of the issues that people have talked about in the back of the Cybertruck is that it's really hard to get or even notice these USB hub in the back of the truck. As a passenger, you really don't see it there. So this device will make it a lot more apparent where you're able to plug in at. It doesn't really take up too much space. You can see that the dongles will plug in right back there. Doesn't cover up the AC outlet, so that's a good thing too. So we're going to go ahead and install this now. It looks like it'll just take a few seconds to install. Just have some adhesive and then plug it in. Here we go. Looks like we have 4 steps here. We're just going to wipe the underside with the primer, and then we're going to remove these adhesive strips and push it into place, and then plug it in, and we're going to be done. Here we go. So step 1, we're just going to wipe this adhesive underneath here. Get off any debris and help make it stick better. Okay, we've removed the adhesive backing, and now we're just going to place this right where we want it. We want to get it on the lip here first in the right spot, and then just going to push it into place. So we're just lining it up here. You can kind of see here on the edges, I'm just trying to space these out. And now we just push up on the bottom, the adhesive, to get that to stick. I think these are is the same adhesive that they use on the door handles too, which I've had on for a few months and seems to be super secure. Haven't had any issues with them at all. And then the last step is simply to plug this in. So our little dangle here, we can just plug right in. So the last step was just to plug these in. I like that you still have full access to the AC outlet. And now you can see we have full port here, and we have a little light switch to get these to illuminate when it's dark out. I think you can see that illumination there. Super easy to see now. There you have it, start to finish. Takes about 2 minutes to install. I think it fits really nice aesthetically and makes it a lot easier for people to be able to plug in their devices back here.
It's got this little film on here, so you can just rip that off. Looks pretty good. I already got my stuff back here ready to go. So when you get under here, you just kind of push this up, plug it in, push this up, kind of tuck the cord, you know, we'll get that a little bit later, but looks good. Has a nice little light there, and turn, pretty neat. Give the kids some power in the back there, pretty neat. Thank you, Foronetry.
This rear USB charger is extremely nice. Got multiple light levels, and if you notice, the little USB ports charge or light up. It fits really nice along with the existing thing. Easily accessible while in the rear seat. My other prior backseat passengers were having difficulty reaching the USB ports. It's well worth buying.